Hey guys, so what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, right now I have the hiccups. I burped inside when I did the hiccups. Watch. And I want to get rid of them. Okay. So, my sister right here is gonna help me get rid of the hiccups. Okay, and this is how you get rid of the hiccups. Okay. Come right here in front of me. Okay, first you gotta breathe in. Then breathe out. And then breathe and then cover yourself like this. Like that, and then have yourself or another partner squish your eyebrows like this while you're closing. Okay, ready? For about 15 seconds. And if it does not get rid of it, do it one more time. See, it did not get rid of it. So do it one more time and do it for 30 seconds. Okay, ready? Okay. That was actually more than 30 seconds. Okay. I am hiccup free. So that's how you get rid of the hiccups. One more time.
Bye.
This is how you do it. Breathe in, then breathe out. And then breathe in, hold your breath. And then while you're holding your breath,
The hiccup.
you close your eyes while you press in your eyebrows. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped you.
Bye.